Hello, I'm out here on Boggs National Forest, brought the camper out, going to give you a walkthrough of where we're at on the build. It's pretty much done. We're doing a few more things to it here and there, adding accessories and stuff, but I thought I'd give you an update on where we're at and a little tour of what we've built so far. This camper is 5 by 10 by 4 foot, and I got the idea off of YouTube from another gentleman, and I'll put his link in the below, but the name of his channel is Seeking Adventure, and so that's where I got my ideas from and used some of his information and built this camper here. Let's start on the inside. That's our solar controller back there for the solar panel on the top. And then this is our mattress. It's a tri-fold 6-inch twin mattress, and I got it covered in the sheets right now. I'll put a link below for it. It's off of Amazon. It's 4 inches of foam with 2 inches of memory foam on the top. Very comfortable. Highly recommend. Worth the money. And it folds out into a bed, which I'll show you here in a little bit. These are the upper cabinets that I built. And then I got the deer antlers from my brother out in Montana. He shed hunts and gave me some antlers. We made the handles for that, and then the shelf down below, some baskets for loose stuff, and then we got storage underneath for extra totes if we need them, but mainly that's where the dogs sleep. We have 3 dogs that camp with us. Little coat rack from some of the antler. When we cut the piece off, we used the leftovers and made a coat rack over there. My wife wood burned the scene in it, polished it all up, and then we got the curtains are just temporary right now because we're still deciding what we're going to do over there, how we're going to hang them, but right now they're just hung up with Velcro. And then we used just a standard roof vent, works for us. And then I got in the ceiling 4 little light pods that are recessed. Sealed the bottom and just threw some carpet down for the time being. We're probably going to put some type of flooring down. Not sure yet what we want to do. And here's the mattress all folded out. We sleep with our head at that end. That way when you're entering in and out and the dogs go in and out, they're not just going over top of where your head's going to be at. So we sleep with 3 dogs. And this area is cleaned out, and that's where they stay. It's at the foot of the bed. With this tri-fold mattress also, we can fold it up and turn it into a couch and sit back there facing forward and watch our iPads or sit and enjoy the evening to get out of the weather if the weather's bad. But we just chose the one door, 30 by 36, and I got a Yescom 6.6 inch or 6.6 foot by 8 foot awning that comes out, and then inside, if you saw the brown bag, that's the ARB screen room that goes with it, and they work real well. We've been using it. You've probably seen it in some of my other videos and pictures I've posted. The trailer, I went up to Montana to my brother's while I was up there and got those antlers. We built the trailer for this. Originally this camper was designed to slide on and off, but due to height and getting in and out of my garage, I went ahead and didn't put deck boards on this and opted with 1 skid instead of 2 2x6 skids, so it drops down into the frame. We have the windows on each side. We have the lights on each side. And I put 2 vents on each side in the compartment area, which we'll look at here in just a minute. So that's where my batteries are so they can breathe. This is where the galley is. I made my door like the gentleman off of Seeking Adventures, and we'll look at that here in just a minute. Like I said, I didn't have a door on this side, but we're planning to put a shower canopy over here, and we'll add the rooftop solar hot water heater made out of the black ABS pipe. And we have shore power, and we have 100-watt solar panel on the top. I made my roof rack out of Unistrut just like he did. Got some eye bolts in there. My kayak rack, you've probably seen that on there in some of the other videos. We're probably going to move the kayaks to the top of the pickup on top of the camper shell and put a rooftop basket up here, because we have a lot of extra stuff we take and it's just a pain taking it in and out all the time, so it'd be nice to have it in the basket on the top. Now we're just using some wood furring strips to hold the door open. I haven't put struts on yet, so I'm not too sure how to do those. I need to research and figure that out. Got the upper cabinets, and then I just added this cabinet here, which I have all my pots and pans and cooking stuff in. Got tired of having the tote, so we just added that this week. And then the upper storage has some food, coffee, and basic stuff. And then this is the access to my fuse panel. And then I have my my 12-volt accessories right there. Sorry about the helicopter. We're up here in Boggs National Forest where the Helitack base is, and it's pushing 90 degrees today, and we're red flag warning, so out here in Northern California we're trying not to burn up. I got a couple of totes left, and then I went with the Extreme Coleman 70 quart ice chest, and I gotta say it works real well. It gets us out there and doing what we need. We don't stay out for very long. And then I have some under storage under here. Not sure exactly what we're gonna do for countertop yet. We're still just building it as we go, changing things. And then I got two Interstate 6-volt batteries wired together to make 12 volts for the solar, and they do real well actually. I'm surprised at how long I can go without a charge and how quick the 100-watt solar panel keeps them up to fully charged. And I have a link to everything I've bought off Amazon and everywhere else, and I'll put those down in the description below. And then we got the 3,500 pound axle with 2,500 pound leaf springs underneath, because originally we were going to use this trailer for other stuff as well, not just a camper, but with living in Northern California and living on edge, we pretty much have this thing ready to go, so if we have to evacuate. And then up in the front, up here in the front, we just added this rack. It was for my son's mini scooter, but we ended up putting a box on the front because we needed more room, so we're still figuring out how and what we're going to design and do up here. And then the YesCom, I'm going to do a separate video on that, unfolding it and putting the screen room underneath it, and the setup and takedown of it, so you guys can see that. And it's pretty amazing that those two work together with the ARB and the YesCom. I'm pretty happy with it. It's been working out well, and I'll give you another update in the future of where we're at and how much more stuff we've added and different stuff we've done. And thank you for watching, and like and subscribe below and leave me a comment. All the comments help me do better at my videos, or if you have a question about something that I didn't explain in the video, just leave a comment below and we'll we'll answer it. All right, thanks and have a great day.